Hi everyone. Have you ever wished you could select multiple options in Google Sheets dropdowns? Well, now you can. Today I'm going to show you how to create and use multi-select dropdowns and combine them with formulas. This new feature is a real game changer. Before we get started, let's quickly see how we managed without it. Imagine you have a list of jobs and need to assign crews. Instead of people, this could have been anything: tags, preferences, positions, and so on. The employee list comes from the settings sheet, where we created a named range to have an easier time referring to it later. But without multi-select, assigning more than one employee per job meant using multiple columns. More setup, more room for errors, and it didn't look great. Now, let's see what we can do with the new multi-select dropdowns. To create them, head to the main menu, choose Insert, then Dropdown. In this case, we will switch to a dropdown from a range, although it's not required. Then we enter the named range and enable Allow Multiple Selections. Note that this only works with chip-style dropdowns. Other options are disabled. And here you go. Multiple selections in one dropdown. How cool is that? Don't forget to enable text wrapping to make it look perfect. These multi-select dropdowns join all selected values with a comma and space separator. Knowing this, we can use them in formulas. A quick interruption. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more practical tips like this. Now back to the video. There are several ways we can use formulas with these dropdowns, depending on your needs. First, let's check if a value is selected. For this, we'll create columns for the employees and use the find function. Find returns the position of text or an error if it's not found. Wrapping it with isNumber gives us a true or false value, which we can then convert to a checkbox. Next, let's split the selected items into individual cells using the split function. It accepts the value we want to split, then the separator, in this case it is a comma and a space, and whether to split by each symbol in the separator or use it as a whole. Here we want to use false. Wrapping it with if error ensures there are no issues with empty dropdowns. Finally, to count the selected values, we'll use the previous formula and wrap it in count A, which counts non-empty values in a provided range. How will you use these multi-select dropdowns in your spreadsheets? Let me know in the comments. If you want more ways to optimize your spreadsheets, check out these videos on using tables and named ranges in Google Sheets.